Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2017 Jeep Cherokee Sport. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice tow attachment right there. Got the nice Sport logo, we got a little roof spoiler, some nice black fenders on this vehicle as well, which adds a nice pop to the white. And moving to the front, we do have that nice Jeep grille. Taking a look on the inside, we do get plenty of cargo space. You can collapse that row if need be. You do get tons of more storage where your spare tire is supposed to be. Little hooks and doodads to hold your gear. You got little LED lights, little storage here. You got the little Jeep logo on the hooks here, which is pretty nice. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth and black cloth and gray cloth interior. You got some white stitching, plenty of door space. You got some leather accents. You got carpeted floors. You got floor mats. You can fold this down for cup holders and some arm space. And you do get your own little fans back here. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front with that nice leathering and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 94,170 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You have your cruise control settings, the Jeep logo, toggle for your screen, phone, voice, and media. And looking at our main screen here, we have our messages, screen setup, your digital speedometer, vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, audio, and all that fun stuff. We have our gear select here, little storage cubbies, parking brake, cup holders with a little storage here, leather up center console with upper storage, as well as lower with a 12-volt and USB. Got more storage here, SD, USB, aux, and a 12-volt. Got your climate controls here with traction and hazards. Storage below, you got a little storage cubby right here. Your infotainment system that is touchscreen compatible, which is pretty nice. You can turn it on and off. And we're just going to go back. So we have a radio, media, so you can have Bluetooth on here, phone, compass, and your settings, such as all these fun settings, and more, such as your clock and outside temperature. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7855, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.